Yeah, first of all, we are in ski jumping. We are using a lot of computers and videos, and that's part of the daily work. For that we need, because we need to use also a computer outdoor in the demanding conditions, cold, rain, whatever. Getak has been working fantastic. We have found a new level for the demanding conditions using the computer on the coach's stand while there is minus 20 degrees or sometimes raining, and that tool, that computer, has been working all the time very good. Also, like demands for the batteries are extremely high when we are outdoor, and we were actually a bit jealous at first when Austrians and some other nations have the extremely nice packages with the extra batteries and so on, but pretty soon we concluded that there might be another solution. Getak has been the solution for us, and some others have been following also.